Here is the Aprilaire Model 62 humidistat with fan control. It has a maximum humidity range of 45%, which is too low for me. Here is the Honeywell humidipro, which I can go all the way up to 65% humidity, which is great. But there's no fan control. So what I will do is I will get 24 volts common power, and that is my relay to open and close the humidistat control. And right here, that's where you and you are going to tie into at 1 and 2. And down here is another set of terminals. And that is where I'm going to take 24 volts out of and into this relay right here, which I'm going to wire into the primary control board in the furnace, so that when the humidistat turns the humidifier on, it will then turn on the relay, which will bring on the main blower. Ta-da! Problem solved. Take that, Aprilaire 62.